Hi guys, today we are going to see an analysis about Maruti. We'll see in all time frames starting from daily, weekly, monthly, even we can see quarterly chart. We'll see its price action and let's see if we can invest in it or not. Okay, so I'm just going to share you the knowledge which I have in this particular stock over these years. I've been watching this for close to 6 years. I'm following it, I'm trading it, I'm investing in it. So this is one of my favorite stocks to invest and trade also. It's quite easier when compared to other illiquid stocks. It has a great price action patterns and it respects all the levels. So let's see. On a daily time frame, we are seeing a breakout from the previous resistance level which has formed in February 2021, but there is not much of a great pattern in this time frame. Let's move to weekly. Okay, in weekly chart, if you see the same resistance is there from 2018 December. So this is one of the important level. Here we have seen a fake breakout, but it didn't sustain the weeks ahead. After the breakout, it fell down just by 10% within a week. So this is perfectly a fake breakout, and there's nothing much in this time frame too. We can see a trend line. It is okay. There it is. We have a pattern here. We have a inverted head and shoulder pattern here, which is being formed for the last 1393 days, which is close to 4 years. So this is a 4 year resistance, and I expect any break above this will see a huge move. But the pattern isn't clear in this time frame. So let's move to the monthly chart. Okay, it is quite good here. Let's delete the horizontal resistance. So okay, let's have it just for reference. We can see this resistance is being broken here, but since this is a monthly time frame, we still have 18 more days for this month to close. So we cannot take this as a reference or this horizontal resistance as a reference confirmation for a breakout, but we can look on a vertical or we call it a slanting trend line. We see a beautiful inverted head and shoulders pattern. So how to draw it? We can draw it using a sorry, I'm missing it. It's here. Yeah, we have a left shoulder, we have a head, and then we have a right shoulder. So it's perfectly matching. Okay, but this price action or the pattern alone is not enough. So let's look at the volume. You can see that right at the start of this left shoulder, the volume started increasing. So previously it was on average levels, and then it started increasing slowly. It started growing up, and when the fall happened, the volume was huge. It continued, and the volume kept increasing. And once again, the volume kept decreasing when it started when the price of the Maruti stock started rising. But you can see that over the last 4 months, or from July, August, September, now it's October. So these 4 months, we can see a consistent increase in volume, right? We see a consistent increase in volume here. So looking at this, I expect the volume of this month to cross the 20 month average volume. This orange line which you see here is the 20-month average volume, which was just touched in December 2020, but it was not crossed. But I expect it to cross in this October or even November, so that this will act as a good investment pick. Looking at the targets, if we are entering at the current level, so the targets would be, we can take this is for investment, guys. This is not for trading. So I'm investing in it. I'm not asking anyone to trade with this. This is just for my personal investment purpose. I'm just sharing you the knowledge. So with the previous high low swing, the targets can be expected. The first targets can be 11,000, and then 13,000, 15,000, 16,000 can be the upcoming target. It can take years. See, the pattern has formed over the last 4 years, right? So the same amount of years can take to reach the target of 17,000. But still, I guess it's worth, because in 4 years, in 4 years, if we are able to get 100% return, that's close to 18 or 19% per year, which is still fine, which is still not possible in any other investment forms, right? So I'm expecting, if you're able to touch 17,000 in 4 years, we see a target of 120%. Whereas I would remain cautious, because I will not keep the recent low of this candle as a stop loss. I'll keep this uh, the price which I'm showing you now, because the resistance here. Let me show you. I'll keep the stop loss at 6,250, which is an 18% stop loss for 120% target. Why I'm keeping it in this level is I'm seeing a very good support here. It has been taking support at these levels for so many months, and because of COVID, this was some breakdown. I'm not sure why did this happen, but this was particularly because of COVID. And then once again it bounced back. It took the same support and it started moving up, right? So this will act as my stop loss. 6,250 will be my stop loss for this stock, and 17,000 will be my target. Maybe it can take the same number of years. Let's say if we are looking at 1400 days here, I will look at the same 1400 days, which can be in this level. Yeah, so that is where I see it in August 2025. That's close to, that's less than 4 years. So 120% in less than 4 years is perfectly fine for me. Now let's look at the Maruti stock in the point and figures chart. I was just looking at Apollo tires, but let's look at Maruti. See, on the same monthly, go on the same monthly time frame. It's very beautiful, right? See, we are getting the resistance at the current level. The current level is close to 7,670, right? So 7,694. This is a beautiful resistance here. So once this is taken out, we can see very good targets of 10,000 and then 19,000 in upcoming years. We'll go with the recent poll. Even I'm getting the same target of 10,800 and 17,000. So my first target will be 10,870. This 10,870 is 10, even if I take 10,870, that's close to 40% for 18% risk, which is 1 is to 2 times, more than 1 is to 2 times risk, right? So still it's favorable, but I'll not stop with this. My targets will be 10,800 and 17,000 and then 19,500. If we go on a quarterly basis, we can expect huge targets. Okay, so this candle was formed in July 2000, I mean October 2013, in between October 2013 and July 2015. So it's close to 8 years. So my 8 years target would be close to 55,000 from now on. And let's look at the auto index. Looking at the auto index. Okay, this was my previous pattern in my previous video. It was very good cup and handle pattern breakout, and then it has resisted. It has crossed the resistance last week, and in current week it's following the trend. So it's a perfect breakout, and a follow through buying is happening in all the auto stocks. So that's why the index is going higher and higher. So I guess this would sustain, and even as the same, my first target in auto index would be 12,060. It's very close. So when I was talking last time, last video, it was 10,800, and within a week or within 2 days, it has grown from 10,800 to 11,400. So the movement till 12,150 or 12,200 is not far away, right? So let's see how the Maruti stock moves in the upcoming months, and I am personally investing in it. I already have at a much lower levels, so this looks like a perfect time to add more. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.